I don't want to wear this. Me feel stuck. Good evening. My name is Grey Skies, and here is the weather. Weather is the same as always, yeah? This is Jamaica. The sun going to shine in the morning, and it going hot no bitch. There will be scattered showers round about, after which it will be hot no bitch. Even if hurricane come, rain fall, breeze blow, thunder and lightning lick, as soon as it done, it going hot no bitch. Tonight, the sky will be dark. If you live into the hill, it will be chilly. But if you live onto the flat, even if it's hot, it's not going to hot if you have a fan. And now, for the long range forecast. They going hot, no. And that were the weather.